Today, I went and explored the Boston beach and found some hidden treasures. Hey guys, so good morning. Here we are at Boston, and I'm in the Boston beach. So now we'll be walking down to the beach where we'll be shooting today. So as you can see, there are some lunch areas on that side. There's a chill spot up there, and there's also a gazebo on that end. You know what I mean? So pretty much this is where we are for today. Lovely. Nice jackfruit. Nice jackfruit. Here are some showers provided that you can come and get a nice wash off after you have swum and possibly played in the sand. There's a spot around there. It's more clearer on the drone, so I'm gonna see if I can find a way there without actually getting soaking wet. So here we go. We're getting there, guys. It's not as easy as it looks, you know. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Just started to track here. But I'm gonna try to see if I can repull through.
You know, this is quite a nice calming spot. You can lay and rest there for the day. So here you have it. Who knew that this spot existed at the Boston Bay Beach? Or who have been on this side? You know, safety precautions. So you know, you can enjoy the beach from these are the tiny steps. Or if you swim around, this is where you normally would enter from after you leave. Out there, so this is what here looks like, guys. Nice, beautiful and relaxing. We're not done yet, just giving you a full tour of how it really is. So Boston Beach has two sides. We just explored the left side, so now we're on our way to the right side. We will not be walking in front of the rocks because the tide will bounce you up against the rocks. However, there's a shortcut that we're going to take. So that's the part that, was preventing us from walking in the water coming around here. And as you can see, the rock in the water, if the wave pushes you against it, you might get a few bruises, and don't really want that right now. On this side, you're able to lay down some towels and relax in the cool shades.